welcome back to Palace Kids and McKenna's Giggles. How did you like the video, y'all? I'm telling you, we just got these in the mail. They're carpet tiles, and I love them because you can put them wherever you want to, and if you spill something on them, all you gotta do is pick the piece up, go wash it and bring it back, set it down, and you're done. It's got like a seamless look to it, so you can't even tell that it's several pieces. You can do it in several different designs if you want to, and they give you a sheet that shows you, like, I don't know, it's like 5 or 6 different designs, I think it was. But you can think outside the box and do whatever design that you want to. This is McKenna's homeschool room, so everybody that's seen us knows that we've got a plastic floor kind of like thing that we put down, and it wasn't like all that pretty, but these are a game changer because now she has a very nice pretty floor, and if she spills something on it, then yeah, all you gotta do is just go wash it off. So I'm super excited about these. They work awesome in the puppy room too. All you guys know that have got my videos on my dog training program on palacekids.com, I have always recommended that you go out and you get you like some throwaway flooring, you know, ugly, whatever you find, just throw it down because it's just there for the time being. No more ugliness. Grab one of these because if your puppy pees on it, all you gotta do is pick it up, go wash it, bring it back. Or in my case, I would take it and just replace it because when a dog pees on a spot, they're always going to come back to that spot. So this remedies having to change a whole floor out, y'all. So thumbs up for me. I love this. It's ultra comfy. It's got premium quality materials on it. It's quick dry. It's got the seamless look to it. And yeah, stain resistant. So, I mean, what can go wrong? So anyways, I'll link the link below and you'll get an 18% discount if you go through my link. And also you get some free samples too. So yeah. All right guys, so that wraps it up. Go out and grab you some and I'll see you on the next video. And as always, make sure that you try to have fun, be kind, and make some memories along the way. See you guys.